Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this video is going to be a quick fast-forwarded get ready with me. I'm actually on my way to get my hair rebraided. I get my foundation braids redone once a month, and it's definitely time to hit the salon again. So I just wanted to do my makeup on camera. Sorry it's not a tutorial because I don't have time, but yeah, I've been really tired lately, but the makeup has definitely helped with that, and my skin has been super dry. We are I live in Michigan, so right now I think the highs right now are about 43 and the lows are down in the 20s and teens. So I already have dry skin, so during the winter I have to like pile on moisturizer, but it never seems to be enough. But I think I got my complexion pretty smooth. And if you are curious what is on my lips, I used a Milani lip liner. This is in the color Sugar Plum. And then for the lipstick, I used an Anastasia Beverly Hills matte lipstick in the shade Rosewood. And then I put the Dose of Colors, it's not in front of me anymore, I put the Dose of Colors over the top lip topper on top. Anyway guys, if you want to know how I got this look, then keep on watching.
So these are the primers that I've been using underneath my makeup, and they have been working so well. So the Milk Hydrogrip helps keep my makeup on longer on my nose and around my mouth and forehead. And then I use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Eye Primer on my smile line area. I actually got that idea from Savannah Silver here on YouTube. She uses the Urban Decay Primer Potion, but I had a sample of this Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer, so I just use that, and let me tell you, it works so well. If you are someone that smiles a lot and gets creasing around your mouth, this will definitely prevent that. And then the Tatcha Silk Canvas I use around my textured areas, which is around my chin and my cheek area. So it seems excessive, but all three primers do different things, so hence why I use all three. And you know, they're all sample sizes, so they're not really that expensive either. So here, I'm just showing you guys my foundation routine you already know. If you want a dedicated foundation video, I will leave it linked down below in the description box and up here in the cards, just in case you want to check it out. But I did add a lot of highlight or highlighting concealer today, or not today, but for this video, because I was extremely tired. So I had first went in with the color corrector from Too Faced in the shade Taffy. That's the multi-use sculpting concealer. And then I used the Too Faced Natural Radiant Primer in light medium. I use that during the winter because it definitely helps hydrate my under eyes. It doesn't offer a lot of coverage, but it definitely helps with hydration. And then to really brighten up my under eyes, I use the JCat Aquasurance Banana Concealer. That has a lot of coverage, but it is very matte, and it won't help with any kind of moisture, so that's why I put it on top of the Born This Way concealer. And then of course I'm just using all my powders to set my face, and I have been using foundation powder on top of my translucent powder. I use it on my damp L'Oreal sponge. That's what I'm doing here, and that just adds more coverage in the places where I need more coverage, like if I'm having a breakout or something. That definitely helps with coverage, and it gives this airbrush effect. It's really pretty. I think I got that idea from Patrick Starr. And then I just sprayed down my face with the Refresh spray from My Clarins. It's a beauty spray. It's not really a setting spray, so if you are looking for something that sets, this ain't it, but it does refresh your makeup and make everything look a little bit more moisturized. Alright, so I feel like I'm just talking too much, so I'm just going to shut up now and let you watch the rest of the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, hit the like, and ring my bell so you don't miss any more content, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!
Delicious.
Okay guys, that's it for this video, and I hope you liked it. If you did, give me a big thumbs up and press the subscribe button down in the description box so you don't miss any more content from me, and I hope to see you in the next one.